always lovely, and I always find that, the Polish people know how to make an event. This is something that I've been to festivals all around the world, and I was showing photos to friends and family, and we're like, the Poles know how to party. This is it.
It's great to see the event growing. It's always a great opportunity to meet people both from Poland and from other countries, hear the talks and do the networking. It's great that we have such an event here.
Digital Dragons is a legendary event. It's very vibrant, a lot of people that bring passion to making video games into this place. But I think the most important thing is that people here actually do share the knowledge about their experience, about what they do. And this is definitely the most valuable part of Digital Dragons.
How would I translate the sound of Krakow into an interactive experience? Because I really like the ring of park around the old centre. So I find a way to kind of communicate that, really. I've been to a lot of different places in Europe, and that's kind of a standout feature of Krakow for me.
The secret to making players really feel something. It's different for every composer, I think. Every composer has their bag of tricks that they use. For me personally, emotion is very closely tied to harmony. Very specific harmonies that I'm using. When I was working on Call of Duty World War II, simultaneously I discovered Seattle grunge music. And I really loved the way that bands like Soundgarden work with harmony, which is to say that they almost don't use harmony at all.
This year event is unique because we have like full package, not only a legal part, but also business part. We are able to get very interesting group of people like Avengers from Marvel Universe.
Not everybody could be here tonight, but we are glad to represent them.
Yep.
Amazing effort from all of them. We've got two wonderful acts.
We never thought that we can be in this place again, and thank you all for being with us.
It was a tons of work, but it paid off, and that's great.
Thank you, for everyone who believed in us, our families, friends,
yes,
all people from Bulgar team. We love you. Thank you.
Yes, let's say we are always looking for investors. Of course, we are in the very, very great situation when it comes to this game, but we are always looking for investors, not only for this game, but for next one.
Definitely games right now, which are shown here in this floor, they look a lot better. We're definitely progressing with our craftsmanship, with our understanding what target audiences would like to play and see. And you can see a lot of talent behind me, and that's really warms my heart to see that the next generation is not surrendering to do all sorts of copy-paste stuff, but actually they strive to create something new.